Hello, and welcome to Vim Rocks. I was recently in need of a new text editor. I tried Emacs, but now I'm using Vim, and it rocks. When I started using Vim, I was in search of something similar to the Emacs Rocks website because I liked it a lot when I was learning Emacs. And I couldn't find anything, so here's my take. For the first episode, we'll do a simple refactor similar to the first episode of Emacs Rocks. In later episodes, the subjects will be more unique. So in this example, I need to refactor some local variables to a setup method. So in this case, I need to change var to this. And for that, we can use visual selections. I'll do it again a bit slower. That rocks.